The crow, the cheese, and the serpent, high atop an ancient tree. A proud crow found a piece of golden cheese. It gleamed in the sunlight, and the crow cawed with delight. "This shall be my treasure," he said, "and I shall guard it with my life." From the shadows below, a serpent slithered silently, watching the crow with hungry eyes. He longed for the cheese, but knew he could not climb the tree, so he hatched a plan. "O noble crow," the serpent hissed sweetly, "how radiant you look today. Your feathers shine like polished obsidian, and your eyes sparkle with wisdom. Surely, a bird so majestic must have a voice to match." The crow puffed up with pride. "Indeed," he said, "my voice is the finest in the forest." "Would you honor me with a song?" the serpent asked, bowing low. Flattered, the crow opened his beak to sing, and the cheese fell from his mouth. The serpent snatched it and began to slither away. "You tricked me," the crow screeched. The serpent paused and turned. "Did I lie? Your feathers do shine, your eyes do sparkle, and your voice, well, it certainly made the cheese fall. But you never wanted my song," the crow said bitterly. "No," the serpent replied. "I wanted what you held too tightly to see clearly. Pride makes poor armor," and with that, the serpent vanished into the grass. Moral of the story: flattery is a mirror that reflects what you wish to see, not what is true. When ego blinds the eyes, even the clever fall prey to the cunning. Guard your pride, or it will be the bait that betrays you.